Hey mathematicians, I'm sure you know by now the question is on the left side where I will be working it out on the right side as if I were a kid. So you should probably be doing the same thing to your retake question. Rebecca needs 10.5 yards of fabric to make a quilt. She has one piece of fabric that is 2.5 yards and another piece of fabric that is 4 1/4 yards. How many more yards of fabric does Rebecca need to make the quilts? Clearly, Rebecca doesn't news to make the quilt. That's a typo. So first things first, I am going to pull out all of these fractions. I have 10 1/2, I have 2 1/2, and I have 4 1/4. The reason for this is, in this problem, I know I'm going to be adding these two guys together because that's what she currently has. And then I will be subtracting it from this guy. So considering I'm adding and subtracting fractions, I know I need common denominators. So between 2 and 4, I'm going to go with 4. So I'm just going to rename all of my fractions right now. Whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So this becomes 10 2/4. This becomes 2 2/4. And this guy stays the same. Now I have all common denominators. It is going to be a heck of a lot easier for me to add and subtract. So again, I am adding these guys together. So let's just put a plus sign and add. Whole number to whole number. 2 to 4 is 6. 2 plus 1, numerator to numerator, is 3. So 2 2/4 plus 4 1/4 comes out to 6 3/4. And I am subtracting that from my 10 2/4. I need to borrow from my whole. So he becomes 9 and he becomes 6. And if you're thinking, what? Let me show you. This is 10 2/4. He became 9. I'm adding a whole to my fraction so that way I can then subtract my numerators. Oh, there we go. So now, whole number minus whole number, 9 minus 6 is 3. Numerator minus numerator, 6 minus 3 is 3. It looks like Rebecca still needs 3 3/4 yards fabric. So answer choice H.